Hey guys, Ryan here, going to do a quick tutorial on SA5. This video is going to discuss how to go over like prepay balances that aren't allocated properly against accounts. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to run a report. We're going to click right here. Then up in the top in the filter, we're going to put prepay. Up there, already there. I just type the word pre in, right there, prepayment report. So for now, we're just going to have my fertilizing company selected. We have two categories selected, which should be one-time service and active. Prepay balances, we're going to have all balances selected. The year is 2019. Customer type both residential and commercial. Sort by customer number. Now this checkbox is the only one that we really need to worry about right now. We're going to check this, and then we're going to preview it. All right, so we have two accounts right here. I like to put this as 100, kind of just looks a little cleaner. But from here, we're going to go to this little button on the left-hand side where it says Actions. Click that. We're going to go down to Customer Search, and we're going to hit Send. So now we have our two clients here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at Keith Butler. I kind of dove into these accounts a little bit earlier to look through these, but Keith made a payment last year. He made a payment of $427.44. He overpaid for his services. So he actually has $182.40 that's just like in limbo for prepay. It's not going to show on a net or remittance balance. It just wasn't applied right last year and it just got overlooked. So from here, we're going to go up to the financial screen. Then we can see 182.40 is what we owe him in services, and that's in the prepay balance. So what we're going to do, you can edit it, but that really doesn't allow you to do anything here. It just lets you change the credit limit. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit this three little buttons right here, more options, and we're going to go to prepay adjustments. This opens up a new window, and now you can see that he has 182.40. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete that, and then that's it. We're going to hit save. Are you sure you want to save these changes? Yes. So now his before he had a prepay balance, let's see. Before he had a prepay balance of 182.40 and he didn't have a credit balance. Now he has a credit balance. So this account now is right. Next, we're going to go over to the next customer, Lewis Orange. See this right here? When you go to the customer search screen, when you filter by customer search screen, you can go left or right. If we go back, it'll bring up Keith Butler again. And if we go right, it'll bring up that Lewis Orange. So again, we go to financial, and then we hit these three little buttons right here. Now this guy has a 46.54 credit only on prepay though. Again, it won't show anywhere else. We're going to go to prepay adjustments. We're going to clear this out, and we could hit save again. But let's just say like this guy had enough to cover everything else. We could, let's say he had, a couple $100 on here, and it was the right amount that equaled out to these. All you'd have to do is click this and hit 5% prepay discount if that would have been the correct prepay discount, or we could go to these services and individually apply them. But for now, we're just simply zeroing out these balances because that's all the information we have on these right now. And yeah, we're just gonna hit save again. It's gonna ask if the warning, we're gonna hit yes. Go to the customer, and he has a credit balance now. So that's it, guys. A little tutorial on how to do some prepay allocations, but thanks for watching. Until next time.